It's everyone's favorite time of the year, back to school time. And if you're packing a lunch for yourself or your child, there are a few things to keep in mind so you're not inadvertently packing a lot of bacteria in that lunch as well. So let's go over a few tips. First of all, anytime you're packing anything perishable, such as a sandwich with lunch meat or a dairy item such as yogurt or a string cheese, things like cut fruit as well, anything that you would refrigerate normally, you want to keep that cold. So it's important that you're sending a cold pack. These are really inexpensive. You can pick them up at the Dollar Tree or in the hardware section of a major store like Walmart or Target. And this is important because every 20 minutes, bacteria doubles when it's in the danger zone of 40 degrees to 140 degrees. So if this lunch meat normally has just a small amount of bacteria in it anyway, if we're not keeping that at the proper temperature, the bacteria will be doubling. So in 1 hour, we might have this much bacteria, and in 2 hours, we might have this much bacteria. If our immune systems are strong and we're healthy, we can usually cope with this, maybe get a mild stomachache, not too big of a problem. But if we've been sick or our immune system is compromised, it will be a bigger problem. So we can easily avoid having bacteria growing in our lunches by sending that cold pack. The other thing is, if you are sending hot foods, so maybe some soup or something in a thermos, it is important that our hot foods are staying hot above 140 degrees. So you can preheat your thermos by putting some boiling hot water in it, and once you have put the hot food in, if you can feel the temperature of the thermos on the outside, that is a sign that that thermos probably needs to be replaced or it needs a new seal. You can always check if your thermos is under warranty, and you might be able to get a free seal sent from the manufacturer. And when you're packing your lunches, remember My Plate and try to include at least 3 food groups in your or your child's lunch. So we wish everyone a safe and happy school year. Please like and follow our Sensible Nutrition Facebook page for more tips and recipes throughout the year. Have a great day.